Okay, so what do we have there, Mag? You show it to the camera. It's
a
like
Gengar.
yes, it's a Gengar.
It's a Gengar.
It's a model kit of Gengar, and we're gonna open it up and build it Magnus and Daddy style. Okay, so we're gonna remove the tape first.
Okay.
Be careful with the sharp cutter blade.
Sharp cutter blade.
Okay, then let's see what's inside. You open it. You pull this out. Oh, you just there you
Wow.
go.
So these are the pieces. Even the stickers.
This is the guide. Yes.
Wow.
The stickers will be for the eyes. Okay, so this is just like a typical gunpla. There should be three. What do you call these boards? Three boards on it. We have experienced a little bit because we built a Doven Wolf, which I might put an image of right now here. So we're gonna open everything and lay them out.
Wow.
Oh, don't. That's not how you take it off the rails.
How do you
needs
take it
to
off?
be cut properly. Okay?
Oh.
That's why Daddy's here, so I can help you cut it properly.
Fight.
This build attempt should be not that long, but we shall
I'm
find
going to
out.
choose the.
Oh, don't. Oh no, you removed it already.
I'm going to choose.
What are you gonna choose?
I'm going to choose the face.
Yes, later. Later we choose the face. Okay, you want the face that has all the teeth on it.
Yeah.
I think we're gonna build it everything together nonetheless. Okay?
No, I want.
Okay, where's the guy? Oh no, don't play with it agad, okay? Okay, it says here, oh my gosh, there's a lot of instructions. Okay, we need first to assemble B1 and B13. This is, where's the missing? B1, B, and then the number is 1. So how we take it off is we use something like this.
Ooh. What's that?
It's a cutter for small things.
Is it a cutter for a small thing?
Yes.
We covered this announcement since we're here and building.
This is B1. You get the A1.
The A1?
Yes, I think this is it. A1. A1 number 3.
A1 number 3?
Which is it? You can see it here, oh. A1, and this is 1, 2, 3. So this is 3. Let's put it together.
So there.
Don't worry about it. That's just a branch. That's right. You put it inside. Oh, don't force it. You're not supposed to need to force it.
What do I do?
You align it properly. Wait a little bit. Oh, yeah. You push it in. There it is. Now it's flushed. You can feel it, right? It's flushed.
Yeah.
Okay. That's the proper connection. Now we need A214, A14, A15.
We got this already. We're gonna need stickers.
The stickers come later. Don't worry about it. It will tell us when we need to put the stickers on.
The camera?
Who?
The camera.
Will tell us? No, the guide. A14 and then A15. Not yet. Not yet. A14, A15, and A214.
I did it.
Is that it? Did you get it ahead?
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Oh, remove it first. We need to combine the eyes. Okay. Wait, no. It goes inside.
Those
That's why you
inside.
shouldn't have put this inside again. Okay, you put it here. Those eyes. There you go. Very good. Now, we assemble the back. A211 and A212.
8 to 11 and 8 to 12? Here.
That's it. 11 and 12. Okay, I'll remove it.
Hey, look.
Not yet. Not yet. You're not supposed to.
I was just showing you it.
Yes. This is A211 and 12.
12.
Yes, it goes like this. Top. Wait a minute, huh? You just need to press it a little bit more so that all the seams are gone. Okay, now you put this part there. That's correct. Wait a minute. You align it through the pegs. Oh, we're
The
nearly
tongue.
done. No, no. The design that you chose doesn't have a tongue right now. Okay. For A, you can put that on now. Oh, be careful. Don't rush it. It looks like Gengar already.
It almost looks like Gengar.
Yes. Kulang na lang yung paa.
At saka yung kamay.
Okay, number 6. We need A19. This is A1.
We
That's
need-
number 9. There's number 9.
No one ever was. Pokemon. Pokemon.
Okay. This goes on the tail. Wait a minute.
I wanted it.
Okay, you align it. Huh? Does it fit well? Yes! Oh, look at that. It looks so nice.
It's
Okay.
just like a hunter.
Yes. Okay. Number 7 and 8, we assemble the hands. A16 and A17.
We're gonna do it.
We need 6, 7, and 8 for the hands.
Look, it's like I'm coloring a Gengar but assembling. Is that the tongue that we're gonna need for the teeth?
For the other, if we are building the other one, we would need the tongue. But right now, we don't need it because we're using
This?
the teeth.
But look, this is the tongue.
Yeah, we will assemble it too, but not just for the alternative build.
Our alternative build? What numbers did you say again?
This is A1, 6, 7, and
6, 7, and 8.
okay. Let's try it. Let's try to assemble one hand together. Wait. It's 6 and 7 first. These ones. You put them together like that. You need to push it in. Did you do it? Did you do it properly? Oh, there's a little bit of gap, so you need to push it further. There we go. Look at that. It's like a hand now. Now the number 8, wait, you attach, yes, like that. Oh, you don't need the guide. Dun-dun-dun. Okay, let me see if it's okay. Now you put it.
Don't look.
Oh! You're so good at this. Okay, I'll get the rest so you can assemble the both hands now.
Both hands. You will be surprised.
I'm already surprised.
Using the cutter.
We need to use it kasi so that the parts.
We were starting. Wow, you can even move it.
Just don't move it too much kasi matutulad yun kay Doberwool. You cannot move anymore. Okay. Assemble the next hand just like we did. Baliktad. Yeah.
Pokemon. Pokemon. Can you help me?
Let me see. Oh, don't put it in. Ito muna. Oh, you did it.
It's like a hunter, but with ears and spiky things on the back and
And
sharp.
spiky things on the back.
And also,
Wait a minute. I will.
are these
do
gonna
this
be the
first.
feet?
It's part of the feet.
Are you going to stand it up? Ooh.
Eventually, it will have feet kasi, so it can stand up.
Look.
This is B5 and B3
Ooh.
together. And how do these
Look.
go? Yes, that
It's like
will
a hat.
be the one with the tongue.
It's like a tongue. if we're gonna use this, then we're gonna have to move this too. No one ever was
Wait a minute, ah.
Pokemon before. No one ever was Pokemon.
Wait a minute, ah. Don't be... Oh, those don't go together. It's different.
Different.
Yes. Okay,
Different.
where's the other one? Because these will make the feet more mobile.
Mobile? They don't
Oh
go
my
together.
gosh. Why is it different? Oh, these go together. Okay, assemble it.
You thought they can't.
Okay, I read it wrong. That's why.
Yeah.
Don't put it yet. Don't put it yet, Mag. Kailangan buo muna yung hanggang ilalim para
Hanggang
maikot na.
ilalim.
Oh, don't. This will be the other part.
You read it wrongly.
It's just a minor reading mistake. Okay, this one goes here, and then that one goes to cover that thing.
I'm going to
Okay, push it together.
cover this thing. Oopsies.
Okay, is it? Okay, wait a minute. You need to put the rest of the feet, which is this one.
We're going to complete the Gengar.
Yes, it's almost completed now.
No. Okay.
Okay, you can put one of the feet now.
Okay.
No, that one. You know how to? Should be facing one way lang. Wait a minute. How does it face? Okay, it's the side like this, Maga. It should face outward.
What word?
Can you see? You put this on. You put on the leg.
The leg. Oh.
Okay. You did it. So show the camera. Show the camera the Gengar. No, put it here. Yeah. Okay. Oh, what do you think about it?
I think we should change the face.
Why?
Because I want to see
The
the
thumb?
tongue version. Yeah.
Wait.
Leverage. These are
Then you put the big thumb.
small. These are.
Yes. Okay, show it to the camera. Show it to the camera. It's a Gengar with a big tongue. So nice. This is a very quick gunpla to build. So I think, yes, that's it. We have built the Gengar number 45 of the collection. Yeah, show it to them one more time. With the tongue. Put the tongue in.
I'm going to put the small tongue because the tongue is not
Okay,
yet labas.
okay. Yes, it's this one, the Gengar. So nice. So simple and nice. And it can stand up if you want. And the arms can flail around. All right. Say goodbye to the camera, Mag.
Goodbye.
No, here. Show them the Gengar. Yes.
Goodbye.